I've got a black eye and Janine said that this would make it better.
My mammy swears by it.
Sure, aren't you supposed to put steak on a black eye?
Well, it's beef, isn't it?
So how did you get a black eye?
You don't want to know, Patty.
Well, Patty, we were sitting down saying our Hail Marys like you do, and this woman came in and sat right in front of us. Hail Mary, full of grace, the Lord is with thee, blessed art thou.
No.
Here, what's your game?
My apologies, but your skirt and my friend...
Leave the skirt alone.
Come on, let's go. Jesus.
No!
Jesus, Bridget, that's awful. You should report that woman to Father Michael's.
That woman was Father Michael's.